WBFex event, Mrs. Bella Farm Common State and Shine Agreement. Congratulations to WBFex and OVF. Ladies and gentlemen, and now let's take a look at the global publicity pioneer, WBF, the next global tour in the New York 1000-scale conferences. Wall Street is regarded as a battlefield of blockchain that is inevitably set up the technology innovation here. In fact, it currently has a spill into the whole world and rebuilt a foundation of human philosophy on value. On September 27 and 28, WBF is coming again to New York with a massive, exciting resources. Reach the top of Wall Street. WBF 2019 New York Technology and Global Award ceremony will be held at Atman Building in New York, promoting and accelerating the innovative development of the global blockchain industry and make technology remolding the valley. We just see some video about the next event in New York, and to know more about our event in New York, we would like to invite on stage Mrs. Jenny, co-COO of WBF event. Come on stage.